Hello, my name is Ison Williams. Today I'll be showing you how to use Extrude, Revolve, Extrude Cut, and Revolve Cut tools in the Autodesk Inventor application. If you are unfamiliar with what Inventor is, I will give a brief explanation. Inventor is a software that allows you to design, sketch, and draw a parametric model of whatever you may like to draw. You can design a great deal to scale or with exact dimensions. There are many features you can use to draw or shape any part that you desire to sketch. Alright, let's go ahead and open up Inventor. It may take about 10 seconds to load up. Once you have successfully opened Inventor, you will want to left click on the Start Working option. If you are new to using the software, you can select the Start Learning option to familiarize yourself with Inventor instead. Once you have selected the Start Working option, click on Part under the New tab. In the top left corner of the page, you select the Start 2D Sketch. You will then be presented with 3 planes that you can sketch in. Move the cursor over the planes and select the XY plane for the front view. Back in the top left corner, under the Sketch tab, select the Line tool. We can draw a square or whatever shape you would like. For this video, I will draw a square. Back at the top of the screen, find the Finish Sketch option and click on it. Back along the top list of tools, select the Extrude tool. Under Behavior, you will be able to edit the length you want the shape to be extruded to. Try inputting different values to become familiar with the tool. Now that you have entered the value, you can press Enter to confirm the length. That is how you use the Extrude tool. Right-click on the shape and select Edit Sketch. Now you can either create a new shape or keep the same one. I will create a new shape. Once you have finished with your shape, select Finish Sketch again. Under the 3D Model tab, next to the Extrude tool, you can select the Revolve tool. A menu will open underneath it similar to the Extrude tools menu. The Revolve tool will automatically assume the profile to be revolved and the axis it should be revolved around. However, in case it doesn't, select the Profile text box and then select on the profile you have drawn. Then select the axis you want to revolve the profile around. In the menu box underneath Behavior, you can select the direction of the profile and how many degrees you want the shape revolved. I have entered 180 degrees, which is half of a full revolution. You can play around with those features until you become more familiar. That is how you use the Revolve feature. Now, go ahead and select Create New Sketch. Create a new shape like a square and extrude it 1 inch. Now select the face and right-click on it. Click on the Create New Sketch on the face of the shape you extruded. You can now draw whatever shape you want so that you can use the Extrude Cut tool. I will sketch a semicircle on the right edge of the cube. Next, you can go ahead and exit the sketch and select the Extrude tool. Now, once you have the drop menu open for the Extrude tool, you must select the second direction underneath the Behavior tab. Then select the second option underneath the Output tab. This option enables the shape you have drawn on the face of the cube to cut through to whatever length you specify. Once you have the value input, press Enter to confirm it. This is how you use the Extrude Cut tool. Now, I will undo this feature so I can use the Revolve Cut tool. Go back to the sketch and draw a line down the middle of the cube. This will be your axis for which you will revolve cut the revolved shape around. Create a shape and click Finish Sketch. Click 3D Model and select the Revolve tool. When the drop menu opens, select the shape you have drawn and select the axis you want to revolve it around. The shape will revolve and cut through the cube. You can select how much you want to revolve the shape to the preferred angles. That is how you use the Revolve Cut feature in Inventor. I hope this video has been informative and instructive. You should now have the knowledge of how to use the Revolve, Extrude, Revolve Cut, and the Extrude Cut tools/features. Thank you.